We've got our basic card holder. Beautiful vegetable tanned leather. This color is the crudo, and will darken to a beautiful patina with use. You've got your cash, and in here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 credit cards. 5 credit cards. Well, what do you know? I usually only have 2, but you could have 5. You can actually get a couple more in there. And then on this side, I've got the essentials, things that I use less often. It's my license, my healthcare information, and a couple business cards. Shoe Lab, NYC. Beautiful color, classic, gets better with use. And if you want to get fancy, go with a Ferrari red. Hand stitched.